venturing into the heart of the forest, they find a plant that's as beautiful.
This is a civil danger warning issued for the listed counties in Pennsylvania. Authorities have received reports of a dangerous individual known as F 228, also referred to as Bravid 228 or Fen 228. This individual is reported to have a severely disfigured face, described as red and melted in appearance. Exercise extreme caution. If you see an individual matching this description, do not approach. Remain indoors and secure all doors and windows. Contact local law enforcement immediately and report the sighting. Do not approach. Stay indoors. Report any sightings of an individual with a red, melted face to authorities. More information will be provided as it becomes available.
Good evening, Pennsylvania. We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming to bring you an urgent news update. Authorities have confirmed that a group known as Effort 228 has successfully captured a child and is posing a significant threat to the local community. Residents are advised to evacuate the area immediately. In light of these developments, we urge all citizens to leave Pennsylvania as soon as possible. The situation is serious, and your safety is our top priority. In a unique twist, local authorities have enacted a communication protocol for citizens who remain. You are now advised to use Morse code to relay messages and communicate your plans. To do this, blink your eyes to represent the dots and dashes of Morse code to keep communication clear. Please remain vigilant and patient as we all navigate this crisis.